Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Chiliz in a real sense is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.2% and for the most part most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. CHZ sort of has an extremely all-out market cap of $763,018,757 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $37,909,329 in an especially huge manner. This basically makes Chiliz essentially positioning at 59 in the digital currency market, which is genuinely huge. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz basically be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, or so they most certainly thought. Is Chiliz an especially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is very huge? Will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high? These generally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a by and large normal value level of 14 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the especially current year ought to especially be 14 cents. Besides, CHZ can sort of arrive at in every practical sense greatest value level of 16 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz value figure May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Chiliz in every practical sense is truly anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 11 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 12 cents and a very least of 10 cents, exhibiting how CHZ explicitly has a kind of complete market cap of $763,018,757 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $37,909,329, or so they really thought. Chiliz value expectation June 2023. Chiliz cost for the most part is supposed to by and large reach between 11 cents to 12 cents in June 2023, while the extremely normal cost of CHZ for the June for the most part remains around 12 cents. Chiliz value forecast July 2023. Chiliz cost for the most part is supposed to by and large reach between 12 cents to 13 cents in July 2023, while the typical cost of CHZ for the July especially remains around 12 cents. CHZ value estimate August 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for August 2023 expects that the CHZ may truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of 13 cents with a sort of least cost of around 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the by and large normal value, CHZ can stretch around 13 cents for August in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value conjecture September 2023. The truly normal cost of Chiliz could essentially go to 13 cents toward the finish of September 2023, exhibiting how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz essentially be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner. CHZ could in a real sense exchange around a very most extreme worth of 14 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz value gauge October 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Chiliz could sort of go to 13 cents toward the finish of October 2023, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. CHZ could be exchanging around in every way that really matters. Most extreme worth of 15 cents with the base expected cost of 13 cents in an especially huge manner. Chiliz value expectation November 2023. Chiliz cost in a real sense is supposed to basically reach between 14 cents to 15 cents in November 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of CHZ for the November certainly remains around 14 cents. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chiliz cost really is conjecture to in every practical sense arrive at a sort of the least cost of 14 cents in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest cost of 16 cents with the truly normal expected cost around 14 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Chiliz certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost in every practical sense has shown a decent increment of 2.09% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters shows that Chiliz value expectation November 2023. Chiliz cost especially is supposed to truly reach between 14 cents to 15 cents in November 2023, while the essentially normal cost of CHZ for the November for the most part remains around 14 cents. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chiliz cost is figured to for the most part arrive at a kind of the least cost of 14 cents, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz explicitly is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which fundamentally is very critical. The CHC explicitly is down to nearly 0.97% in the sort of most recent 7 days, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment. So the coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for extremely past genuinely couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for commonly, however. We don't basically imagine that it would a productive resource in transient in an unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ fundamentally diminished by 21.757%, wiping out an incredible kind of normal amount of 3 cents from its sort of current worth, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a decent most certainly purchase a valuable open door for pretty speedy speculation. Or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 20.62%, and the cost in every way that really matters, forced from a sort of least genuinely normal cost of 13 cents to especially greatest certainly normal cost of 14 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days. Or so they for the most part thought. In kind of most recent 4 months, Chiliz sort of has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Subsequently, we in every practical sense feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, showing how besides CHC can explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 16 cents, or so they sort of thought, as indicated by the in a real sense the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Chiliz by and large is expanded from 4 months, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin by and large is up by 4.46%, with the fundamentally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin generally was around 11 cents, and the truly least especially normal cost of explicitly was around 11 cents, genuinely beyond 4 months in an exceptionally huge manner. Chiliz Value Estimate 2023 FAQs: what will be Chiliz genuinely worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? The CHZ cost certainly is determined to sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 16 cents with really least cost of 14 cents toward the finish of 2023 and in every practical sense, enormous way. Does Chiliz by and large have a future, which explicitly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Chiliz basically has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In fact, it fundamentally is gauged that CHZ will increment in esteem, or so they certainly thought. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Chiliz can in a real sense hit the essentially the greatest cost of $4.70 till 2030 amazingly. Is Chiliz worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Chiliz's worth for the most part is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as deficiency will in general basically support cost rise, which in every practical sense shows that these certainly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHC as future and in every way that really matters, significant way.